Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever gotten stuck using QuickBooks Online and thought, ugh, I wish I could just chat with support instead of digging through pages of help articles, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down how to chat with QuickBooks Online step by step. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or a seasoned user, this guide will help you get help fast, all within your dashboard. All right, let's jump right in. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your browser and then go to the official QuickBooks website. In the top right corner, click Sign In. Use your registered email and password, and make sure you're on the official Intuit URL to keep your account secure. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your dashboard. You'll see a small help icon. It looks like a question mark. Click that and you'll open the help menu with a few different support options. Now, here's where the magic happens. From that help menu, select Assistant. This opens a chat window right inside QuickBooks. You can type your question directly, whether it's about connecting your bank, fixing a report, or troubleshooting a payroll issue. And the chat assistant will instantly guide you step by step. It's like having a mini QuickBooks expert sitting right there with you. No need to wait on hold or send emails back and forth. Everything happens in real time. The best part? It's fast, easy, and available 24/7. The assistant can walk you through most common problems and even link you to tutorials. The downside? It's still an automated tool. So for complex accounting or technical issues, you might eventually need to connect with a live agent. But for 80% of day-to-day problems, this chat feature does the job beautifully. And that's it. You just learned how to chat with QuickBooks Online. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you've tried the chat feature yourself. I'd love to know your experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.